This is Koh Lipe. It's a tiny island down in the south of Thailand, close to Malaysia. No cars here, just sand paths and boats. The water is crazy clear, maybe the clearest I've seen in Thailand. You can walk across the island in 20 minutes. This isn't a place for nightlife or shopping streets. It's a place for people who want a slow island life. It's simple, colorful, and if you come early in the morning, before the boats come in, it's calm, almost silent, except for waves and longtail boats. Koh Lipe is small, but it's easy to understand. The island has three main beaches: Sunrise Beach on the east, Pattaya Beach in the south, and Sunset Beach on the west. In the middle, they all connect to Walking Street, the only real town area on the island. This is where you find the restaurants and shops. There are no cars on the island, just sandy paths that lead between beaches, houses, and local cafes or shops. Most people arrive at Pattaya Beach. Speedboats come directly to the sand. From there, everything is within walking distance or a short ride on a motorcycle taxi. The sand is soft, and the water is usually calm, making it easy to swim. It has more people, more boats, and a bit of a nightlife atmosphere in the evening, but it still feels relaxed compared to other Thai islands. Sunrise Beach is the longest and most peaceful. It faces the east, so mornings here are calm and bright. You'll see long-tail boats moored along the shore, fishermen heading out early, and sandbanks that appear during low tide. The water is shallow and clear, great for swimming or snorkeling, and you get uninterrupted views of Koh Adang directly across the channel. Sunset Beach is the smallest and quietest of the three. It's on the western side, facing the Tarutao National Marine Park. There are fewer hotels here, just a few bungalows and beach bars. The water is deeper, and the beach is more natural and shaded. It's the best place to watch the sky turn orange as the sun goes down behind the islands. Overall, Koh Lipe is simple to explore, walkable, easy to navigate, and still small enough to feel personal. Most of the island life here is about the sea. You can just grab a mask and snorkel from the beach and see coral right away. If you want more, take a boat to Koh Adang. I recommend hiking to the viewpoint, or go to Koh Rawi or Jabang Reef. It's all really relaxed, no rush, just water and nature. The island is part of the Tarutao National Marine Park, so the water is protected and full of coral reefs and fish. Koh Lipe is remote, and getting here takes a bit of travel, but it's straightforward. Most people come by speedboat from Pakbara Pier in Satun province in southern Thailand. Boats run all year, and the trip usually takes about 1.5 hours. In high season, you can also come from Koh Lanta, Koh Phi, Phuket, or even Malaysia, but these routes only operate when the sea is calm, usually from November to April, which is also the best time to go to Koh Lipe. Koh Lipe is small, maybe a little bit too small for my taste. I'd like to be able to move around more, but it's very peaceful, although it feels like that is about to change. More tourists arrive every year. If you want to see it before things changes, now is the time.